Hazrat Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas radiyallahu anhu said on the occasion of the farewell pilgrimage, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited me when I neared my death due to severe illness. So I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are witnessing the extreme agony I am suffering right now. I am an affluent person and have none but a daughter as my hire. Should I give 2/3 of my property as alms? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. I submitted half of it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 1/3 is also too much, and it is better to leave the inheritors prosperous than to leave them destitute, dependent to others, and whatever you expend seeking Allah's pleasure, you will procure reward for it in exchange, even for the morsel you put in your wife's mouth. I submitted, will I be separated from my companions? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you will not be separated, but you will perform numerous deeds seeking Allah's pleasure, due to which your rank and status will be elevated, and perhaps you will be blessed with longevity, and many people benefit themselves from you, and a lot of people will suffer loss from you. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make my companions' immigration complete and don't make them turn back. But there is still a regret for Sa'ad bin Khala. Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu says that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam felt sorry for him, for he died in Makkah Mukarramah. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6373.